Hey Chompers, what's up y'all? Welcome back to another video. As you can see today, I have some crawfish and some green lip mussels. I got a butter sauce back here. I got my lime and I have some corn and I have some andouille sausage for the first time. I'm going to try it out and see what it tastes like. I've heard really good things about it, so I'm excited to try it. I also have a fresh lemonade from Wendy's. I hope you guys can hear me okay. Y'all probably like, who is this little girl on Chomp Queen channel? It's me, y'all. It's me. I know I got my little ponytails in. It's just a chill day. I just want to eat and get on up out of here. Take me a nap before I got to go to work. Anyway, let me set some grace and get into my food so we can get to eat. I'm hungry, y'all. Lord, thank you for another day. Thank you for many blessings. Thank you for this food that you set before me. I ask that you bless it. Let it be of nourishment to our body. In your precious name I pray. Amen. 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 All right, let's eat because I'm starving. You guys want a mussel? I hope it's not too bright. Got me some butter sauce back here. Oh man, I forgot napkins. I always forget something. I hope y'all are doing okay. These some juicy crawfish. So what's going on with y'all? What's going on with y'all? What's up, y'all? My Lord. These are good. These are still the Walmart brand. I know I get the Walmart brand crawfish get a lot of heat, but if you're not from Louisiana or New Orleans where they eat crawfish all the time, then you don't really know what they're supposed to taste like. So Walmart brand tastes good to me. Till I get my hands on some real deal. Ooh, I want all of that. Some real deal southern crawfish. Man, this is what I got, and this tastes pretty good to me. Ooh, they sure are juicy. I boiled them. I was watching Cousin AB. She did a crawfish video, and she called me out. She was like, down here in Texas, we boil our seafood. Y'all from Baltimore, y'all steam yours. Yes, we do. But the only thing I will boil is crawfish because all the juice get inside. And it is so good. Y'all want some? It's a decent sized one. You can check. Hope y'all doing alright. I actually hope y'all having a good day. What's today? Today is Sunday. Oh, I know I missed a couple days, y'all, but sometimes life just catch up with you and you just don't have time. Babe's schedule has picked up a lot, so he don't have as much free time as he did in the beginning, which means that I have the kids more, which means recording time is limited. I hope y'all understand. Let's get some of this lime. Oh, got me some corn back here. Let me try one of these sausages. So this is the andouille sausage from Hillshire Farm. Is it Hillshire Farm? I think it is. Yeah, that's the only kind of sausage that we usually get is Hillshire Farm. And then of course we get those red hots from Rogerwood. Those are good too. Oh, that's flavorful. I had this before and some jambalaya or something. I definitely tasted this before, so it's not my first time. That's good. Oh, it's a little baby one. Sometimes these things ain't worth it though. It's just the juice inside is so good to me. That's good to me. Yeah, I love me some crawfish now. It's just like them mussels. When I first tasted them, I ain't like them. Now I love them. And now the crawfish the same way. Couldn't understand why people ate crawfish, especially why they stuck the head. But I get it now. I got it. That's good. Oh, let me tell y'all what I did today. So, babe started, I told y'all this already. Started a lawn care business, right? So, today, he was like, babe, why don't you get the lawnmower a try? Now, he got this big commercial-sized lawnmower. And it don't even have a steering wheel. Got these two sticks that you're supposed to do like this and to move it. So, they don't have reverse. It's just weird, the whole setup. But I guess if you used to, you know, stuff like that, it's a lot of garlic on this one. I don't need that much. So if you used to, like, I guess it's the same as like driving a forklift or something. I don't know, but I got up on that thing and y'all, that's good. That's good. Come here, another one. Spray some lime on it. After babe showed me how to drive the lawnmower, I was good to go. I got into this zone where all I heard was the lawnmower, and I was just riding. It felt good. It felt good. I could see how you could get caught up in mowing grass. Now I understand why my neighbor want to cut his grass every single day, while the other neighbor just seemed like he want to cut when I got to record a video. I understand. It's addicting. I get it now. I love Wendy's fresh lemonade. And it's good. Try to save my corn for last, because dang, that's a big one. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is huge. Look at his tail. Oh, all the juice getting out. Oh, that was garlic. Every time I look at a crawfish, I never see the eggs. I don't know what the eggs look like, and I thought just now I almost swallowed the egg, but it was a piece of garlic. I got nervous. There's so much garlic on this stuff, but I love it. It tastes way better than that last bowl I had. It was almost like it didn't have actual garlic on it. It just like garlic powder and butter, and it just was not good. Oh, excuse me. What kind of video y'all want to see next? I had soul food yesterday and I was going to record a video, but I was so hungry. I didn't feel like setting up the camera. And it's a good thing I didn't, because my yams weren't right. Like, they weren't as sweet and juicy as they usually are. So I guess it's alright. Maybe next time I go get some soul food, I record it. But I got a taste for like some fried chicken wings. I got a taste for some sushi. I haven't had sushi in a while. Let me know what y'all want to see me do next. Ooh, and juicy splashing everywhere. I hope I look alright too. I didn't put an ounce of makeup on. Not one. So don't come for me, y'all. This is really good. Alright, let's get into this corn. It's so sweet. This is so good. The corn is my absolute favorite. Y'all like the little greenery I put up here? Y'all, I've been feeling unmotivated lately. I don't know why. Maybe because I just don't have the time. But yesterday I wanted to record, but I just couldn't muster up the energy to do it. I need some motivation. I need a jolt. I need an energy. I need a boost or something. What do y'all do when y'all feel unmotivated to do something that you really want to do? Like, I'm not motivated to work out. I'm not motivated to do much of anything. Seem like the smaller they are, the juicier. Y'all, I saw this video today. They showed me this video of this guy who got a Burger King taco. He was so mad. He was so mad. I wish y'all could see this video I'm talking about. It was circulating on Facebook. And he showed it to me. My husband showed it to me this morning. I just could not stop laughing because the man, he was so mad. He was so mad that the taco was as bad as it looked. Like I've seen a lot of mukbang. I've seen a couple mukbang videos on the Burger King taco, and everybody says it's horrible. So when he showed, when I saw that video, I was like, oh my gosh, I just could not stop laughing. And he was so serious. He was so mad. He was just like, he also talked about KFC and that chicken sandwich with the Cheetos on it. It was like, Burger King need to stick to burgers and KFC need to stick to chicken without Cheetos. He said the crispy chicken sandwich hard enough to bite into you without the daggone Cheetos, and you want to add Cheetos to it. Oh, it was hilarious, man. Let me finish up my corn, y'all. Let me put this on here. Stop playing. So good. Got juice everywhere. Lord, everything's juicy. Man, these things good. Oh man, this one broke. My muscles and got all cold. I don't like cold muscles. Dang it, I didn't take no thumbnail. I got all the way to the end. Oh well. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I don't know why I'm just like in a I don't know, just not myself today, not my usual upbeat self. Maybe I just need some rest. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm usually more upbeat. Don't mind me, y'all. But anyway, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye, y'all.